Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, we are doing the display comparison between the Redmi K20 Pro versus the Realme X2 device versus Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone and the Poco X3 device. As you can see, friends. So right now, I decided to do this kind of comparison between the Super AMOLED panels versus the AMOLED panels only. But I did try to include the Poco X3 because there are few users who are the Poco X3 from my channel, so that's why I thought of including that phone as well. And this can be the quick comparison, friends, between all of the panels, between the AMOLED comparisons of the Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X2 and the Samsung's its own Super AMOLED Plus latest version, which is from the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. So again, this was a question asked between all of the three smartphones from one of my subscriber to do a video. So that's why I decided to do this kind of comparison between all of these four smartphones. So first, let's talk about the display properties about each and every smartphone. So first, let me start with the Redmi K20 Pro's display, which has a Super AMOLED HDR10 certified and 6.39 inches screen as well. So as you can see, this is the smallest screen size out of all of these four smartphones, and 1080 resolution and Gorilla Glass 5 protection. That's a very good mobile phone, friends, for single hand usage. 6.39 inches, which is very compact, and I like this kind of full screen experience without any punch holes or notch. So this is the best phone for the media entertainment usage as well. So next is the Realme X2 device, so which has the Super AMOLED panel, as you can see here, 6.4 inches, 1080 resolution and Gorilla Glass 5 protection from the Realme X2 device. And next, third is a Super AMOLED Plus panel, which has a 6.7 inches, 1080 but Gorilla Glass 3. Seriously, friends, in the 2020 this is a phone which is in the premium segment, but still has the, I think Gorilla Glass 3 is 2 years back it was supposed to be there, but now still they are using. It's so weird in the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. So next is the Poco X3 smartphone. IPS LCD 6.67 inches, 1080, Gorilla Glass 5, that's a good thing, and HDR10, 120Hz, 450 nits brightness. So these are quick display properties of the Poco X3 smartphone. So alright friends, now let me try to compare the same video playing in all the four smartphones. So it is a quick comparison between the displays of all these four smartphones. As you can see here, Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X2 and the Poco X3 device on the top, and the bottom is the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. So you can see, friends, the difference between all of the four smartphones. So first thing is that in the Redmi K20 Pro, there's an option of enabling this kind of visual enhancement mode, so where you can increase the colors as well. So this without using any those kind of settings. Even in the Poco X3 also there is an option of increasing visual enhancement mode. So without using any visual enhancement mode, this is how it looks with the full brightness in all the smartphones at same time. You can see the difference clearly. So let me try to zoom in a little bit so you might be able to focus properly exactly on the display. So this the dark image, it's getting slightly brighter, and you can observe between all of the four smartphones which display is the best one as well. So the Poco X3 and the Redmi K20 Pro, they're having slightly better advantage because of the software thing going on with this both phones. So where you can actually increase the very good colors, so you can see pretty good difference as well. So right now let me try to do it. As you can see, the colors increased, it's more become brighter as well. So in the Redmi K20 Pro as well, you can actually do that thing right now. Let me try to do it to the maximum. So these are maximum settings you can do in the Redmi K20 Pro. So you can see the difference now, how much it is improved in the Redmi K20 Pro device. You can observe this kind of sky area, so which looks pretty bright image. So these are Poco X3's display, so which is also full brightness mode. So friends, this is a top view, or you can see clearly the difference as well. So in terms of Samsung Galaxy M50 and the Realme X2, they both look kind of same together. So let me try to bring this of both phones together one side so you can actually see the difference. So now you might be able to see the difference between these clouds as well in the bottom one, so which is very saturated in the Redmi K20 Pro because of this extra mode which I did use in the Redmi K20 Pro, which makes the display pretty good as well. And some cases it looks like kind of animated if you use this kind of extreme colors, as you can see. So this is the top view of all the 4 smartphones, how they are looking. So now you will be able to observe the more brightness in the Poco X3 and the Redmi K20 Pro. So as I said, there's an option inbuilt in this phone. So by using those, you can actually increase this kind of colors, as you can see here friends. So which is a very good advantage in these 2 smartphones. So in this way you can increase the colors and you can improve the screen quality while watching the movies. So overall, this is a quick comparison between all of the 4 displays, and for more videos make sure to follow my channel Sai Tech Guru regularly, and do check the links in description also for more details. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.